In this video, I'll show you how to create alarms on your Xiaomi Smart Band 10. All you have to do is swipe up from the bottom of the watch face to access all the applications, and then scroll down and find the alarm app. So here it is, tap on it. And then from here, to create an alarm, tap on the plus icon. And then now you have to choose the time that you'd like that particular alarm to go off at. So let's say, for instance, if you want it to go off at 10 a.m. So you can select 10 a.m. And then once you've selected the time, tap on the check mark icon. And then from here, you should see a couple of options that you can customize. So you can customize at what day or what time this particular alarm will repeat. So tap on repeat. Then you can choose to repeat once. You can choose to repeat daily, or also you can choose to customize it. So select custom, and then choose the date that you'd like, or the day that you'd like this particular alarm to go off. So customize it. So let's say if you want daily, you can select daily and then tap on the check mark. And also you can choose to enable or disable the smart wake feature. So tap on it. And then you should see a brief description of what this smart wake feature is all about. So let your band choose within a 10-minute window before your alarm to wake you up. So you can choose to enable that or disable that. So let's say if you want to enable it, and then go back. And then once you've done customizing everything, tap on the check mark, and that alarm will be created. Additionally, you can also create alarms using the Mi Fitness app on your device. So grab the device that is paired with your Smart Band 10 and then launch the Mi Fitness app. And then within the Mi Fitness app, tap on device. And then from here, scroll down and select apps. So tap on apps. And then from here, select alarm. Now at this point, you should see the current. So this is the current alarm that we just created. So here it is. It has been synchronized. Additionally, if you want to add another alarm, you can simply tap on add and then choose the hour. Let's say if you want it to go at 7 p.m., you can choose 1900 hours. Then once you set the time, you can choose to either repeat the alarm or not. So tap on repeat and then choose the option that you prefer. So you can choose once, daily, weekdays, public holidays, or you can also choose custom and choose the day that you'd like to use. So choose the option that you prefer. And also you can enable or disable this smart wake feature. So if you want to enable it, tap on the toggle switch icon to enable it. If you want to disable it, tap on the toggle switch icon. Now once you have done customizing everything, tap on the check mark at the top right corner, and that will create that particular alarm. Now if you go back to the smartwatch, you can also see this particular alarm. So let me show you. There it is. So that's basically it on how to create alarm or alarms on your Xiaomi Smart Band 10. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.